Hey guys, so today we will be making an adorable fall bow that will be perfect for a fall wreath or a centerpiece or your door or your stairwell or wherever you'd like to place it. What you will need, I have the Bowdabra here. I have this adorable 1.5 inch width fall ribbon, which is so cute. I also have this really pretty burlap ribbon, 2.5 inches in width. And I have some bow wire. And then I have some decorations for the center of my bow. So I have these adorable little leaves, but then I also have these really cute little acorns. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use yet. I'm going to finish the bow and then decide at the end. But you have several options. You will also need scissors and a hot glue gun. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold my bow wire in half and place it down in the center of Bowdabra. You just want enough to be able to fold at the end. You can make the bows separately, but what I've decided to do is to layer them on top of each other because I think that would look so adorable and it'll be different. So I have both, one on top of the other. First thing I'm going to do, because I want the orange to show, of course it's thinner than the burlap. So I'm going to start off like this, and I have the orange in the center, and I'm going to scrunch. So I'm going to fold in half and bring the front and the back upwards and place it down right in the center, just like that. So that when I curl it over, you can see the orange ribbon. And the size of the loops, completely up to you. I'm just gonna estimate. You can definitely measure if you'd like to. I think that is a pretty nice size. So I'm going to scrunch, just like that. But instead of just scrunching and placing it down, I'm going to twist it and then place it down. Just like that. And the reason I'm twisting it, so that when I loop it again, the orange will show as well. If I kept it the other way, then this side would show and it won't look that nice. So that's why I twist it. Okay, and then I'm just going to do the same thing with the other side. If you know the exact amount of ribbon you're going to use, then you can definitely just cut it off of the roll. But since I don't know exactly, I'm going to leave it attached to the roll. Alright, so estimate, scrunch, and twist, and then place it down. And I like to make sure the sides look pretty even, and we're gonna do the same thing again because I think I may do it. I don't know if I'm gonna do it 2 or 3 times, but we shall see. Scrunch and twist, just like that. This is the time for you to adjust and maneuver as you see fit. And there are several ways to make a tail. You definitely could have cut some of the ribbon and place it down to make a tail before you start with the loops. But I chose to do it this way because I wasn't sure how much ribbon I was going to use. So this is how much burlap I have left on the roll. So I cut the orange to match the burlap, and what I'm going to do is scrunch the end and place it down. And I like to do it this way when I'm not sure how much ribbon I'm going to use. Just like that. And then what I'm going to do is estimate the center and just cut it. Just like that. And since I do have a little more orange left over, now you can leave it like this and this will be perfectly fine. But just to have a few more tails, I'm going to scrunch and place the orange down on either side and scrunch it. So this is what it's looking like. So cute and adorable. Again, if you want to place the tails first, you can definitely do that. So I'm just going to take the loop, place the two ends in, and pull. Nice tug. I'm going to tie it. And I like to tie it a couple of times. I want the last tie to go towards the back, because when you're placing this on a wreath, this can definitely double as a connector for the wreath. You can use the bow wire to tie it to the wreath. So I'm going to actually leave that long for now. And I'm going to take another piece of ribbon. This is going to double as my center. So I just fold it in half. And I'm going to hot glue it right in place, just like that. And again, you can make this part burlap if you'd like. You can make it thicker, thinner, whatever you prefer. But just glue it down all the way around. And then instead of cutting that, I'm just going to tie it. But I'm just going to kind of separate it just to make it fluffier. So cute and adorable. And again, sometimes I do like to put the extra embellishments, like the adorable fall leaves or the cute little acorns, but I actually decided not to do that for this bow because I thought it looked so cute and adorable by itself. You can leave the ends like this, or you can ribbon cut the ends. And with the ribbon cut, you fold it in half, open ends at the bottom, the fold at the top, and just cut at a diagonal. Just like that. Yeah, I think that just looks so cute and adorable. Again, go with whatever you prefer. But here's the final product. Quick, simple, easy to do. And then we still have our bow wire here at the back, and we have it long, and you can even make it longer, and this is a way to easily attach it to a wreath, or like I said, a stairwell, a doorway, even like a cute candle or a centerpiece. You can have so much fun with this. So simple, easy to do.